Okay, we've gotten our spring break bark box, and Riley is so excited. Okay, so we're going to show you what we have in here. It says Paradise Unleashed, Beach Club and Resort. Okay, so you back up. All right, my dog is going crazy. Hang on, we got a Mai Tai drink here. Yes, you're very excited. Okay, all right, it's yours. You can have it. Then we have, oh, hang on, I got to show them. We have a peacock, I think. Oh, you're so excited. Oh, it's got scrunchies. So, do you see it too, Stella? Are you excited? Okay, hang on. And then, okay, so there's 2 toys, and then there's, hey, get back! And there's treats. Beast of the Feast, pork and apple dog treats, Hawaiian duck, and looks like some kind of, no, stop, chew toy, or beef stick or something. Okay, stop. All right, guys. That is our February bark box.